My work is on the analysis of Irish traditional music, looking at the tunes and seeing where the patterns recur. So I'm using O'Neill's 1001 Gems, the dance music of Ireland. Chief O'Neill was the chief of police in Chicago in the early 20th century. His collection, published in 1907, as the baseline to look at all collections of Irish music and beyond. It's called the Book or the Bible of Irish traditional music. It's essentially the foundational document for the modern performance tradition. And why I'm here at the Hesburgh Library is because he bequeathed his personal library to the university about 100 years ago. Really interestingly to me, because a lot of these books have already been digitised, is the actual tactile experience of those volumes. So when I was going through, I realised, oh, there's a bit of a dog ear here on this page. Didn't think anything of it. I made a note of it. But then on the next couple of pages later, another dog ear, this time going the other way. So I made a note of each time this happened. And if you line it all up, it shows you exactly where he's relating to the editorial policy of these previous collections in order to inform his own work. And I just thought that was an amazing insight that you couldn't find from a digital copy. I'm thrilled to be here through the Keogh Nocton Library Research Award for visiting scholars. It's a real honour to have access to the amazing collection here, which is a focus for all Irish studies, not just the O'Neill collection.